Do you see the energy bringing Bruna there? So there is energy bringing the follower from this marcação for here. I'm not relaxed, okay? Because we are with the frame active. An active frame here, pá, go and marcação, pá, and come back. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, push a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Go and come back. Okay?
One thing that maybe helps is like this moment or after we did the arrastada and we are here, he may collect his feet, but we still have connection here with the leg. So followers, if you feel that connection, keep it there, because that will also help to direct where you have to step in the back. Right?
And I go.
So don't go away on that step.
Oh, yes.
Do you see? And followers, do not guess. If you try to guess, you have so many options to choose that for sure, it is statistics. You will choose the wrong path. So, relax. No, a wrong option from the step, like, okay, my follower is asking for a turn. No, that's kind of awkward. You can do it. I will not tell you a wrong path, but it is kind of about connection. Now, connect, okay? Try to think about, I'm not guessing. Because, okay, I can choose an option, and that's not guessing. That's option. That's choosing. That's not guessing. Guess is, oh my God, I think. No, if she chooses to come back with this leg, look, she choose. So that's good. It is freedom for her. And if she's going without me, like a choreography, that's not what we want here. Do you see? That's not what I want. Okay, because this is kind of a lack of connection. That's not good here. Okay, so I'll ask you for try to do this without tempo. Try to stop here. Try to connect. Try to do. Okay, I'm here. I will go and come back. Go and come back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, big knife. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do you see that we are connected? We stepped in the same time, both of us. So we were connected. It is not about, I told you, today this structure wasn't about this structure. It was about connection. Because you had to hear what your partner is telling to you.